Behind me there is Ruthin Jail, or what was Ruthin Jail. Prisoners actually had their last rites given to them there, and they were actually hung as well. And there was also many punishments. One of them was the crank room, or the crank cell it was called. It had a box on a pedestal, and the prisoners had to crank a handle on it all day for probably many thousands times. It served no purpose, it was just punishment. And the warders used to adjust the tension by turning a screw to make it harder to turn this handle. And that's why even today the prison warders are known as screws, and that's a true story. So that's Ruthin Jail.